Basic usage of I am. I'm is an abbreviation for the word I am. It is used in combination with other words to tell someone about yourself or to describe something you are doing. Here are some examples. I'm so tired. I'm confused. I'm happy. I'm 23 years old. I'm hungry. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm leaving work. I'm thirsty. I'm from Seattle. You can also add descriptive words with I'm, such as I'm extremely tired. I'm very happy. I'm terribly hungry. I am super excited. I'm very nervous. Describes an action you are doing. Most commonly, you would use the word in when entering a physical location such as a room or a building. Here are some examples. I'm in the shower. I'm in the lobby. I'm in a car. I'm in a house. I'm in a school. Using the word at helps tell someone where you currently are. The difference between at and in is that the physical location is general. Here are some examples. I'm at the grocery. I'm at the mall. I'm at the doctor's office. I'm at the park. I'm at the airport. However, in some cases you can use at and in interchangeably. Here are some examples. I'm at the mall. I'm in the mall. I'm at the park. I'm in the park. I'm at the grocery. I'm in the grocery. Using the word on is referring to a non-physical location such as your time being utilized by something else. Here are some examples. I'm on the phone. I'm on my computer. I'm on a bus. Again, I'm is used here as I am. Good at informs someone what you excel at and are comfortable doing. Here are some examples. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at video games. I'm good at swimming. I'm good at driving. I'm good at reading. I'm good at sports. I'm good at writing. I'm good at math. I'm good at dancing. I'm good at chess. I'm is a contraction of the words I am. By adding a verb to I'm, this lets you express an action or occurrence about yourself. Here are some examples. I'm eating lunch. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm scared. I'm driving to work. I'm crying. I'm typing an email. I'm cooking dinner. I'm combing my hair. I'm hanging a picture. I am texting. I am dancing. I am interested in the job. I am exercising. I am sad. I am learning. When combining the words I am and getting, you are telling someone you are gaining possession, being affected by or have plans to seek out and obtain a particular thing. Here are some examples. I'm getting better. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm getting a toothache. I'm getting a cold. I'm getting married. I'm getting tired. I'm getting good at reading. I'm getting a new car. I'm getting a job. I'm getting a puppy. I am trying informs someone that you are attempting to accomplish something using bodily, mental, or spiritual strength. By adding a verb to I'm trying, you are pointing out exactly what it is you are attempting to do. Here are some examples. I'm trying to get a job. I'm trying to call my family. I'm trying to enjoy my dinner. I'm trying to educate myself. I'm trying to explain myself. I'm trying new food. I'm trying to eat healthy. I'm trying to understand. You may also hear the word trying used to express a way someone is feeling. In this manner, it expresses strain or distress. The word gonna is incorrect grammatically. The equivalent in proper grammar would be going to. When using the word gonna, you are telling someone what you are planning to do at that moment or in the near future. Here are some examples. I'm gonna have some coffee. I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna eat some cake. I'm gonna send out my resume. I'm gonna run a marathon. I'm gonna ask her out for dinner. I'm gonna stop smoking. I'm gonna help my friends. I'm gonna take swim lessons. I'm gonna read a book.